Let's divide 518 by 2. Hey mathletes, waving hand ready to tackle some division? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more awesome math adventures with Let's Stud. Let's go. Alright, let's start dividing 518 by 2. First, we look at the digit 5. We're using the first digit 5, so we'll bring it down. How many times does 2 fit into 5? It fits 2 times. Let's check 2 times 2 is 4. We write 4 below the 5. Now we subtract 5 minus 4 equals 1. That's our remainder for this step. Awesome job, you're doing great. Now let's bring down the next digit 1 to make 11. Next up we have the number 11, get ready. We brought down the 1, so now we're working with 11s. How many times does 2 go into 11? It goes in 5 times. Let's multiply 5 times 2 equals 10. We place 10 under 11. Subtracting 11 minus 10 gives us 1. We found our remainder. Fantastic work, you're on a roll. Time to bring down the last digit 8 to make 18. Last step, we're looking at 18. We brought down the 8 and now we have 18 to divide. How many times does 2 fit into 18? It's exactly 9 times. Check this out, 9 times 2 is 18, perfect. Subtract 18 from 18 and we get 0, no remainder this time. You did it, that's amazing. We've used all the digits and our final answer is 259. So the answer to 518 divided by 2 is 259. Great job, everyone! We learned how to break down a big number like 518 into smaller parts to divide it by 2. Remember, every division problem can be solved step by step just like we did. Keep practicing and you'll be a long division whiz in no time. Sparkles. Woohoo, you crushed it, party popper. That's all for today's division adventure. Check out more fun math videos on Let's Stud. Keep learning and keep shining. Bye for now, waving hand.